So let's look at an example on cost price and selling price. So Elsa bought a microwave oven for $1,200 and then sold it at a profit of 15%. Find the selling price of the microwave oven. Therefore, we can simply apply this formula or use this cost price times 1 plus profit percent equals to the selling price. We can substitute $1,200 as the cost price, and for profit percent it will be 15%. So the selling price is 1201 times 1 plus 50%. We change 50% to a fraction, or we can do it mentally. 1 equals to 100 over 100 plus 15 over 100. That is 1.5 over 100. And now we can cancel out the common factors. Therefore, this will be 12 times 115. We can also do a rough work here. 1150. This is 1380. Now we have the selling price, $1,380.